The sights and sounds of State Tech's Automotive Collision Technology program is hard to miss.
Well, the goal here at State Tech Auto Collision is to focus on relevance. We want to focus on basically whenever the student leaves here, graduates from here, they get to go into industry and have a smooth transition into that. By doing that, our first year students come in and they're going to learn the basics. We're going to learn how to fix dings and dents and scratches and various different techniques and ways. For my second years, we're going to focus on structural panels such as quarter panels, bedsides, cab corners and rockers, and we're already getting into structural aluminum pieces as well.
It sounds like a jam-packed two-year program, but the students wouldn't have it any other way because they love working hands-on in the shop.
You're in the classroom for a little bit of the time, just kind of learning the basics, the bookwork, to know exactly what you're getting into. And then once you get the basics down, you go into the shop and get to basically put all that knowledge to work. It's amazing.
So with the hands-on, you actually get to experience the what industry could be like instead of sitting in the classroom and just looking at words and getting technical terms. With the hands-on, you're able to advance your knowledge and see how it's actually taken apart, put together.
So the best overall student I could ask for whenever it comes to the auto collision program is going to be based a lot on their timeliness, and once they're here, are they working? That's a big thing. That's one of the number one things that employers ask us is, do they show up and are they working once they're here? Once we get that established, which we usually get pretty quick, then we get to move on to actually excelling in our skill levels that we have there as well.
I'm pretty confident in leaving here and immediately going to a job site. If they tell me to do something, I'm almost certain I'm gonna be able to do it without hesitation.
One of the numerous companies that are always on the lookout for a State Tech graduate is Chemna Collision Repair in Wardsville, Missouri.
I've never been to a job fair quite that big, and it was a fantastic opportunity to meet employers and meet leaders of the industry. And without that job fair, honestly, I would be scouring through online websites and different articles just trying to find application opportunities. And with that job fair, it laid everything right there for you. You just had to show up, be attentive, and communicate. And that's ultimately what landed me here.
They have a great program down there. They teach all the new technology. You know, it's not just banging dents out and painting panels anymore. These vehicles that we work on are rolling computers, rolling spaceships.
So whenever Tanner came in from our advisory board, I had just really enjoyed the way that he talked about this place, how they always want top quality stuff, how they're a production shop doing a bunch of paint work and just body work in all honesty, and what their goals and morals were lined up with mine, and I really liked that. So I reached out to him and I'm like, hey, can I get an interview and just kind of get a feel for the place? And I really enjoyed it, so now here I am.
Tanner Chemna spends valuable time on campus with our students during their 2 years here and knows it's a partnership that works.
We have always had good luck with State Tech students coming out. We've had several State Tech students working for us in the past. More recently, with some growth, we've started needing some additional employees, and State Tech has always been a great resource for us, so we keep going back.